Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to replace Tesla Model Y tires. I purchased those tires here in Copenhagen, Denmark, 3,899 Danish krona. Those tire is especially for winter season, and here this I receive specially one of the cheapest services based on Denmark. Otherwise, if you visit other store or especially on Tesla are selling those tires around 12,000 to 16,000 Danish krona. But I'm receiving here just only less than 4,000 Danish krona. If you just replace the tire like summer to winter, the store man are replacing the tire only 700 Danish krona. It means both tires yours. You just come here, bring the tires and replace tire summer to winter. The charges 700 Danish krona, and this entire process I'm spending here 45 minutes. I already added all the detail of the person store in video description. You should visit if you're living here in Copenhagen, Denmark. इंडिया सारखा नाही समाचा काय करायला तुम्ही दाबून देता हवा वर टाकला सकाळून फिरून बसून दुसऱ्या त्याच्यावर ठेवेल रिम ती नवीन टायर बसव हो मालच माल ते ओढ काय मोठी आपल्याकडे लय तमाशा आहे बाबा ते माणूस एवढा होऊन जातो लावत आता फक्त ठेवून आणि घर करून फिरवून हे झालं हे बसलं खाली काढ राहिला आहे ना ते त्यानं लावलं होतं काय का ना But these are good tires, right? As compared to the other one, the Hankook.
I think it's very good tires. I use them myself.
How many years validity?
Sorry?
How much kilometer we can drive using this tire?
It depends on you.
Okay.
But these are winter tires, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe only 4 years, 4 months,
Usually 3 seasons.
3 seasons.
3 seasons, okay.
Depending on how much you drive and how you drive.
Okay. Yeah.
And to again fix the normal tires, how much you charge
For
again going back to the
oh,
summer
to
tire?
someone 700. It's coming 2 tops.
Huh?
It's coming 2 tops.
Ah,
That's so you don't get scared.
okay. Less than 10 मिनिटात बदलला ना टायर अब्बो What is
आपल्याला हवा आता तर मी फक्त ते एक्सपांड करून घेतलं बस.
अच्छा, म्हणूनच त्या गाड्या पंक्चर होत नाही.
मग एक झाले ना पंक्चर हे झालं.
तुम्ही
घसलेली हे आणि उखडलेली माझी. त्याची गरज काय म्हणजे आहे
ते
त्याला विचारलं सांगेल ना बाबा.
अच्छा, ते काहीतरी हे सिगरेट टेप आहे ते काहीतरी काहून नाही घालू बाबा.
तिथं लावलं त्याने परत तिथून काढलं. जास्त प्रश्न नसतील.
तुमची बेरिंग थोडी इकडे तिकडे आईस स्पेस बी असली तर ते मॅनेज हे करून देते सेट. मला वाटलं असं गावठी कोणी येतं, लईच प्रोफेशनल आहे.
तिथं बिझनेसच असेल.
हा, बिझनेसच त्याचा असेल नाही. माय अप्रिशिएट यू.
चला आम्ही दुसरी गाडी बी लावतो आपला.
हा हा, जरूर जरूर.
तेही थोडं निघू शकतो रोज सोबत आपण होऊ शकलं असतं.
One time done within 10 minutes. Second.
वादळ बिदळ असेल ते.
Second tire is fixed. Done. Now time to change.
मला वाटतं फक्त टेस्लाचाच खर्च होता.
नाही नाही. Tire number 3. Tire number 3. आता आवाज भेटतो ना. Oh. 11 सेकंड. Finally done. Fourth tire is completed. And this is the final. Within a 45 minutes you can replace the fourth tire.
So you only deal on Facebook, or do you have any other business? This one.
I'm not sure what you mean.
You only do this business advertisement on Facebook, or do you have other business means? I mean,
I have a website. But
Okay,
but
your
most-
website.
Mostly is on Facebook.
Because in one of the
त्याच्यावर ट्रस्ट नाही एवढा. मशीन हात. How to set new tires in your Tesla car? It's very easy.
The brake pedal. Brake pedal. Start the car. And then you go into service. Where is the service? Okay. Yes. And this is a wheel and tire. Wheel and second left.
yes,
And over to the left, this is tires.
yes.
And you change all season or summer. You press this one and set it to winter. And the other one, service type, you press the seasonal tire swap.
Seasonal tires.
And you just said reset. Perfect. Then it resets everything.
Oh, no need of.
So you don't need to do anything now.
Okay.
You just drive. After a few miles here, it will read the sensors and
Okay.
tire pressure.
Okay.
So there is no tire pressure here. Okay.
Yeah, now you need to drive a little
Yeah,
bit,
little
then you
bit.
will get the connection.
Okay. Thank you.
Everything good?
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks, man.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Bye bye.